Welcome to another tutorial on the Smoke program and its functions. For this video, we are going to explain how to find the Smoke login screen, logging into the Smoke system, and how to reset your password if necessary. From the internet, you can go to any search engine. We do have Google up. The fastest way to find our login is to type in Lara, L-A-R-A, space FFTD, and hit your enter button to search. It will typically be the first entry in your search. Go ahead and click on the link. What you're looking for is you're looking for that large title up there where it says Firefighter Training Division. If you scroll down the page, you're going to see a heading that says Smoke. Please select the Smoke login. One thing to bear in mind with the Smoke login is you have to have been entered into the Smoke system either by your fire chief or by your representative from your regional training center before you will have access. So if you're at the login page and you already know your credentials, you can use either your email or your 6-digit Smoke PIN ID. In this case, we're going to log in. Some of the password requirements for the Smoke program is you must have at least 8 characters, must have an uppercase character, lowercase character, one number, and then one of the symbols that are above the number key. Once you've gained access to the system, you can from here change your password if necessary. If you're at the Smoke login screen and you're either a brand new user or if you do not remember your previous password from one of our older systems, you can simply select the Forgot Password button. Enter in the email. The email that you enter in has to be the email an exact typographical match to the email that is within the Smoke program for you. Once you've entered the email, select the Send Reset link, and you should get a confirmation screen like what you see before you where it says a reset password link and instructions have been sent. At that point, open your email. Okay, so once you see an email come in, please check either your spam, your trash, whatever your email package uses to filter. But what you're looking for is you're looking for an email that says web no reply at michigan.gov. Go ahead and open up the email. You'll see a long coded link. It's typically highlighted and it's underlined. Go ahead and select that link. Link will take you out to whatever your email browser is, your web browser. And here's where you're going to enter in either some type of a new password. Again, keep in mind, password has to contain the information that's there in the blue box. So what we're looking for is we're looking for a password of at least 8 characters, an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number 0 through 9, and then one of the symbols above the number keys. Once you've put the password in and then you also confirm the password again, go ahead and select Reset Password. And now as you can see, it's taken us back out to the login page for the Smoke program. Go ahead and use your email. And your new password. And now you have access to the Smoke program. It is going to ask you to confirm or to update your information. Please select the button. And then from here, you're going to review. There's typically going to be one area that is not going to be populated, and that is the last 4 of your social security number. That is your number, and that is for you as the user to enter. In this case, we're just going to enter 4 digits. Again, hit Update User. You'll get a green confirmation bar, update successful, and at that point you have ability to access the rest of your functions within the system. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to contact your region coordinator.